Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And also follow me on social media on Facebook at Mello'z Nails and Instagram at Mello'z_nails with a Z. In this video, I am doing a review of these Mia Secret acrylics. It is the Fruity collection. It's 12 different colors in these pots, so I'm just showing you what they look like in the packaging here. And then I will do the swatches on my little swatch stick that I use for all my gels and stuff. So here I'm just showing you each color, and then I'll go ahead and swatch it. So I'll go ahead and leave you guys here to watch, and then I'll come back in the end to close out the video. Okay guys, so here I am. I've swatched all of the colors. They are on and they look awesome. I love these colors. The colors went on nice and smooth. Everything was good as far as pigment except for the banana color. That one had some chunks and stuff of color in it, so that would need to be mixed up some more. I did shake them all, but I guess it wasn't enough. But that's the only one that I had an issue with. But other than that, these colors are awesome. I love them. Great buy.